Hi, and welcome to Mr. Garofalo's podcast. Today's podcast is a special episode, PreTest edition. And today we're looking at number 15 from your PreTest, in which we're asked to transform a formula and to solve for one variable in terms of another. In this particular problem, we're given the formula for finding the Fahrenheit temperature if we know the Celsius temperature, and we're asked to solve the formula for Celsius. The first thing I want to notice here is that there is a fractional coefficient in front of Celsius. It's 9/5. And to find the Fahrenheit temperature, we need to multiply Celsius by that fractional value, 9/5, and add 32. So if I want to isolate C, remember we want the equation to read when we're done, we want it to say C equals. We would need to get this coefficient to be a 1. So I'm going to try and get rid of the fraction here by multiplying both sides of the equation by 5. And 5 times f would be 5f. 9/5 times 5 would simply be 9, so we would have 9c. And then 32 times 5 would be 160. So we have 5f equals 9c plus 160. So this is a much more manageable equation now. Continue by subtracting 160 from both sides. Try and avoid the temptation to try and combine these. These are unlike terms. So this would be 5f minus 160 is equal to 9c. And then we'll finish by dividing by 9. So that would leave us with 5f minus 160 divided by 9 is equal to c. So this would be one possible answer for part A. If you wanted to divide 9 into both of these terms, you could do that, and you can write them as fractional values. Since neither of these are multiples of 9, I wouldn't recommend it, but you could go ahead and do that. For part B, we're given a temperature that is in Fahrenheit, and we're to find the Celsius temperature using the equation that we created by transforming the formula. So we would simply substitute 60 for f right here. So it would be 5 times 60 minus 160 all over 9. And take note of the rounding instructions. We're asked to round this to the nearest tenth. I think at this point you should be able to calculate this value out and round it appropriately. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.